welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star resort. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the resort location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the excellent. Room category 1. Size, bed type, highlight, facilities, amenities, and details, etc. Room category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this resort. As you can see on the screen, in this resort, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the resort is attractive and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this resort is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this resort, along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are trying to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem with this resort, click for booking or with more details about this resort, please check description of the video. If you have visited this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video.